Water is life, ice river. We bought this water in Lidl. How can we get it right now?
It costs 1.5 euro. It's cheap, but the water is tasty, and it's a bottle for coolers. We don't have cooler, but we bought a water pump. A water pump from AliExpress.
Here is on Chinese.
Yeah. Let's unbox it.
Yes. I like this package. I like this package very much. Bamboo.
Wow. It will be like this.
Bamboo.
Luxury hand pump. What is luxury in hand pump?
Wow, so luxury.
So luxury.
Only for rich people.
Cheap plastic is for, for luxury for rich people for 2 euro. Okay, let's unbox this luxury pump.
Chinese logic.
Chinese luxury pump.
And logic.
VIP luxury Chinese pump.
Yeah. Only for rich people for 2 euro. And nobody cares what they have coolers.
Wow. How can we install it?
I don't know. I know, I understand. I understand.
Let's connect it here. And we have 3 for full bottle. And put it here. Connect it here, and it's now like this for full bottle.
I think it will be enough.
I think it will be 2. Let's connect this pipe here. And our pump is ready. Let's uncork it. Yeah, cork is down, and
Minus cork.
put our pump here.
I think it's too much. Free.
The water is here. Start to pump it. Is it working?
Yes.
Stop.
Let's taste.
Let's test it. Is it okay?
Yeah.
My turn. Hey.
Faster.
Hehehe. Very funny.
Yeah. It's whistling. Taste it.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Good water, yeah?
Yes.
Very tasty.
Yes.